Hello, this is Joyce.
Jordan here.
Hey Jordan, where are we today?
Oh, today we're at Tainan, Kai.
This is Joyce.
Jordan here.
Hey Jordan, where are we today?
Today we're at KaiTai TianHou宫.
也开台天后宫，刚 Jordan 一直念不好。OK， 昨天我们在台南圣母庙，那等一下我们要去开台天后宫。
So I heard that this place is rife with history like Japanese occupation in the Ming Dynasty.
哦，对，这座庙也有很多的历史背景，那古迹的保存真的是很不容易。
Hey, why do they have the yin yang Chinese zodiac altar in it?
哦，你说元辰殿吗？
Yeah.
这个元辰殿呢，我们主要拜的是斗老星君，还有太岁，以及自己的本命元辰。你知道12生肖呢都有自己的守护神哦。
Oh, okay. What about?
你问题好多哦。我们来看看就知道咯。Okay, now let's take a look.
Okay, let's take a look.
After the defeat of Nanjing, the sage king Zheng Chenggong used Taiwan as his base to fight against the Qing dynasty and restore the Ming dynasty. When attacking Taiwan, in order to stabilize the hearts of the three armies, he personally went to Meizhou to welcome the three Mazu to Taiwan. In June of the same year, Zheng Wangmeng, his son, Zheng Jing, succeeded to the throne, developed and built Taiwan, and people's lives gradually became more stable. In 1668, because the Mazu enshrined in the Tianfei Palace came to Taiwan with the boat to protect Zheng Wangzhou, it was titled Opening Taiwan, and directly inherited the instance of Mazu in Meizhou. Until 1683, when Taiwan entered the territory of the Qing dynasty, the Qing court built the Tianfei Palace for the Zheng family and deliberately downgraded it. In addition to the addition of Mazu as the Tianhou, the Ninjing Wangfu also built the Da Tianhou Palace to replace the KaiTai Tianfei Palace, the center of faith and the hearts of the Taiwanese people. In 1874, due to the Japanese invasion of Taiwan, Minister Shen Baozhen was ordered to inspect Taiwan in order to unite the Cheng family members and the royal family members. He wrote a letter to officially restore the status of Anping Temple.
At the same time, Anping Zhenshi Temple was also renamed the KaiTai TianHou Palace. In 1895, the Treaty of Shimonoseki ceded Taiwan to Japan, and the Japanese army staged a series of massacres. Even the Anping Tianhou Palace could not escape this bloody catastrophe. It was completed in 1967. After that, the temple continued to expand and completed in 1978. In 1990, the temple was damaged by fire, but the three statues of Mazu survived. It was rebuilt again and was completed in 1994, which is the current appearance of the temple. A group of Qing soldiers were surrounded in the Mazu Palace. A total of 56 people were slaughtered. The Japanese army prepared a mass grave for them and buried them in the open space behind the temple. Because the sacred temple was splattered with blood and there were legends of ghost hunting, the temple naturally abandoned.
Hello, 请问您怎么称呼？
我姓张。
Hello， 我是你很高兴哦。
对，很高兴，新年快乐。
新年快乐。那我要问你哦，
是
这座马祖庙特色是什么？
它是目前我们台湾本岛最先的、最古老的妈祖庙。
你的工作内容？
我的工作内容是把马祖的文化推广，然后让更多的信众来了解马祖，然后信仰马祖，让我们的老中少的年龄层都可以来信仰它。
怎么推广呢？
推广的部分呢，我们会借由节庆，比如说农历新年那我们会借由过平安桥。那农历15呢，元宵猜灯谜。那3月份的时候是妈祖娘娘的生日那我们会让妈祖庆寿。然后再来就是7月份，我们的一个16岁成年礼这样子。
你的工作好厉害哦。
没有妈祖保佑。
那个最后我要问你一下，我这边看到很多的花哦，所以我要问你，你最喜欢什么花？
当然就是我们的蝴蝶兰哦，这是我们台湾外销第1名的，然后改良外销成功第1名。OK。
我听到你说的那个好漂亮哦。
对，那个是虎头兰。
情人节快来了，说你们听到呢，你们可以发送它，这。
Hey Jordan, what are today's vocabulary words?
They are restore, throne, inherited, territory, deliberately, downgraded, invasion, treaty, massacres, ceded, catastrophe, slaughtered.